Hi gang, and welcome to Mark's Creative World and part 6 of molding and casting. I can't do it. I can't do this anymore. I can't. I'm done. I can't do this. I can't do this. What was I thinking? Why am I doing this? I don't know. I haven't a clue what I'm doing. I'm getting hair bubbles everywhere. I should have become a doctor like my mom wanted me to. Sorry, Mom. The Struthio Minus Model Kit! And as promised, what we will do is mold and cast the tail. Trying to figure out which way to put it. This way. This way. I think. And quite possibly we'll do the foot at the same time. This is going to be interesting because we have the 3 claws. We have the little bend here. It's going to make for an interesting mold. Well, let's see what happens. But we can do this, right? Let's do this. Here we are once again in the prehistoric vault. Let's take these rubber bands off and see if my little experiment worked. Good. Last rubber band. right. Here we go again, folks. Let's see what happens. I don't like to look. Don't spoil it. Let me see. Let me see. Holy crow, look at that. It worked.
Yes!
Let's get the tail out of here. Hey, that's really cool. Well, that went fast, and this concludes part 6 of Molding and Casting the Studio by Miss Model Kit. I was very happy with the results, especially my little trick of putting another head mold right there. That worked out good. What I like to do is when I see a space like that, the J came down here, so there's a little space in here. Sometimes I like to put a palm leaf in there. What the heck? You get 2 for the price of 1. What the heck? And we didn't get to it this time. The aforementioned foot. And we have 2 hands to go, and the foliage, the palm fronds for the tree. So next time we're going to be one of the 4, probably this guy, and we'll do the hands and everybody all at once. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit the like, subscribe, or subscribe. Don't know where it is. It's on one of these sides. Please share with your friends. And as usual, God bless you. Thanks again. And till we meet again, enjoy.